spooky, scary, but not Halloween. We're playing Borrowed Fairs. Let's wait for Lucasa Mikasa.
No, I'm just gonna stay here.
And we're gonna play
My
with...
position in line is 2.
And we're playing with...
Bro, I can't walk. I can't walk.
Me.
Yeah. And...
Johansson.
Yes. Why you keep saying me?
By the way, Lucas.
Who is
Lucas
me?
not here with the tablet. Finally, in 1 million years, and he's still not joining.
He's the line of one,
Because his
dude.
position to kill somebody, but I
Hi guys.
Okay.
Today we're playing Borrowed Fears with Hudson.
I don't have
And
Roblox.
Jeffy.
I have Roblox, but
Come here, noob.
3 people.
Dude, come here. Bye, Lucas.
Hey.
Bye.
If you want to add us, Jeff's name is Jeff_plays with a Z in the end.
And Lucas's name
and
is...
Lucas is noob3456.
But
And
he is a noob.
Is Johnson_plays. And with
But
Z.
Lucas is actually
Wait, no.
a noob.
Johnson_Roblox. I'm sorry I keep saying this in every like.
Dun, dun,
Yeah, I know this is not
dun, 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 dun.
Let's
Come on, we're gonna... I'm not gonna wait 112 seconds. Okay,
Wow.
finally.
You're leaving?
No. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Country dad, take me home. Kurumi Tojo roads.
By the way, Lucas is scared of Kirumi Tojo from Danganronpa.
There's a place called
Yeah,
France.
it's
It
right
was
because
near
of my
the end of the
execution.
school year. The weather was warm and they only had 1 exam left.
Finally, vacation!
My parents had left earlier for a wedding, which left me alone at home.
Nakasal pa kasi. I'm so mad.
Hey, it's not my fault.
Ma, good.
Yeah, you and Kurumi Tojo got kasal.
Bro, where are you?
Bro,
Where are you?
we're sitting all
I was
together.
in the middle of studying when I had to use the bathroom.
Oh, I want to wee wee on my caca. Oh, we just sit it all together.
Just
Yes,
funny.
How does a guy sit on a guy and sit on a guy?
I'm gonna...
Okay, let's wee wee.
Yo!
Can I put my balls in my jaws?
balls.
I always loved Mexican food, but I hated...
I always love sitting each other in
Yo!
the toilet.
I could literally...
Do you want to do that? Do you want to eat it together?
No!
Hey, you see me? Look.
I'm gonna drink...
Nah, you're hubad. I'm not gonna go near you. I just
I had
spit
a
it on
bad
my
habit of
sister's hair.
forgetting to flush the toilet. Yo,
Yes,
why is there a random, like, gun in here?
How is there an RPG now?
Why is there a random RPG?
Oh my gosh! So scary! Chicken!
Chicken bananas.
Chicken legs.
I love putting bananas in the chicken.
You scared me.
My parents...
Is there a dead body here? No.
No!
Teka, check out. Excuse me.
There's banana peel. Banana peel on the
Ay,
floor.
yan na si Brenda. Yari ka, kuya.
Sir.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh! Look at the garage.
You're not waiting for me.
Yeah, I'm actually waiting for you, Lucas. Where are you?
I'm here!
What? And what? Ouch!
Brenda, no?
Look here!
Ouch!
No? Ikaw na, kuya.
Ouch! I couldn't just leave the
Nice.
flush.
Watch lang, watch.
Hey,
Drink milk.
Lucas, didn't
Bro, why is
flush.
the milk detergent?
Fine, you can open it.
Why can't I run?
Mamaya pa yun. Climax.
Bro,
Hey! At least
I can't walk
Hey,
anymore.
he kissed me. I'm gonna run away.
Finally.
Why can't I run away from him? He kissed me.
Oh,
Let's just go study again.
yeah.
Why is there butt cheeks on the bed?
Yes.
I
Wait,
can't
that's actually
study.
Lucas actually farted on the bed.
I cannot study.
Ooh, flashlight!
Go outside.
Hey guys, check out the shop.
Oh my gosh!
Let's go
I thought
outside.
there was something on the window.
Oh, okay. We have to flush the toilet. Bro,
Bro, I thought he's
years old.
I thought he's regretting to flush the toilet. I thought that happened.
Ew!
Goodbye, guys.
Bro!
Wait,
Wait.
somebody, text.
Come on.
Is it our crush?
Extras in her bedroom on the new phone.
Nah, I really want some flaming hot Cheetos. Really? Yes, really. Mom, you're the best, no problem. We should have said maybe 12 or 1. Why so late?
Yo.
It's a big wedding, sweetie.
Really?
Bro, that's not really Sigma. I think my mom has extra bedroom and
Hey,
then
you see me
I
in front of
forgot
you?
that's my mom's bedroom. I was upstairs. Oh, okay.
Where's our bedroom?
We're gonna get our mom's makeup brush.
Are we gonna do a makeup tutorial?
No, because
Whoa.
Hey,
Jayad.
Dad.
makeup brush.
Dad.
Art project.
Gayad.
Let me see.
Lucas is a
The
gayad.
lava one.
Where's the blue lava lamp?
Where's the blue lava lamp?
There!
You're not Sigma, Lucas. You're
Why
such
can't
a...
they find?
Bye-bye. Where are you?
Hey, found the makeup brushes.
go.
Let's go. Let's just jump off the balcony.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah, I found them.
Lucas wants to have a makeup tutorial and jump off a bridge.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, Lucas
Stop.
Lucas
Wants to go upstairs.
He wants to jump off the bridge.
Hey.
Okay, why does the milk in the apron look like the baby?
Behind you.
You already said that, you know. Yeah, Lucas really wants to jump off and bounce on Kuromito to slap.
How do we do that?
You want to bounce on Kuromito Joe's lap? Bro! We need to pick up Jayad. Let's pick up Jay.
Leave them on my desk. Leave them on your desks. Leave them on your desks.
Guys, there's somebody outside. Did you know? Bro, look at the window outside.
My goodness.
Ooh. Hey, can you
Hey, we got to pick up the trash.
Don't look outside before getting
pick up
in.
the trash.
Look at the window. There's
We
a
have to
person.
pick up the trash.
There's a person.
Yo! Let's just,
I don't want to even interact with that.
why is our walk so slow?
Hello? Can we even run? I swear, if it actually breaks in our house and we can only just walk, I'm actually gonna be so mad.
We're gonna go with you.
Like,
Yo,
it's already been 4 minutes. I mean, 8.
I can't trust it.
Hello? Ah!
Yo!
Hello, Martin
Wow.
Gentleman.
Pizza. Yay, pizza!
You're here for pizza. You jump scare us for just pizza.
Delivery for you. One.
Hey, at least we're brave enough to
I
get
didn't order
pizza.
any pizza. No!
Dude! Dude, I think we got 5 seconds to run away.
Your smile is so weird. Oh!
Please, can we have the pizza?
You must be at the wrong address, said
We're in at the right address, Brody. Yeah, this is 6-7 Phantom
maybe
Speed.
your moms or our parents ordered this for us. And why is that man walking in circles?
I don't know, he's waiting for it to be gone. I don't know, let me just get... Can you move? I want to take out the trash! Well then, I should have scary and bounced on your lap.
You hold the trash so weird.
I'm right behind you. You're a shield.
Bro, you be my shield.
Bro, look.
Yo!
Fire in the hole! Like, actually, I'm gonna throw this trash bag on your face if you actually attack.
Bro!
I swear.
Palakasan niyo yung volume niyo para mas mahal.
Okay, make sure your volume.
Ah!
I can feel like the wind. It's turning
I'm
red.
going upstairs.
Neat. Okay, thank you for the pizza.
Thanks. Thanks.
Wow!
The pizza was cold.
I exchanged the pizza into trash.
First.
Trash to pizza.
Lucas,
Wow.
come here. Come here.
No, this is my
Come here,
pizza.
Lucas.
This is my pizza forever.
Where?
Go to the banana. Go to the banana.
Bro, I know
No,
what's gonna
you
happen.
go.
Go to the banana.
I want to go to the... Ooh, apple!
You.
Eat apple.
Where's the pizza?
Oh,
Oh,
come on. I can't even.
Where did you?
I want to eat the pizza. This is my pizza forever.
Hey, can you at least share?
No! Sharing is devouring food. Whoa. Why is the atmosphere getting so loud?
I don't know.
No.
No, look behind you.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
No, I don't want to go with you.
Lucas, go back. Lucas, look behind you.
Yes. Yeah.
Why is it like... Ah! Oh my gosh.
Take out the drugs from it.
Bro, how is the pizza? When is the pizza gonna be done?
Please.
The pizza smells amazing.
Me first.
And then, oh, first.
Ako first.
I'm the alpha. I'm the sigma.
My pizza.
I'm the alpha. I'm the leader. I'm the top.
I like watching TV while I ate. I think the story.
I like watching. I like watching Peppa Pig with my pizza.
By the way, one fun fact about Jeff, he actually still likes to watch Peppa Pig.
Yeah, he said. Hansen said Peppa Pig is fire.
What the?
The front door was open.
Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, Lucas, you're the alpha.
no.
Yeah, of course.
Lucas locked himself. What pizza?
I accidentally locked myself outside.
Turn on the TV, man.
Oh, I got 80
The
robots.
storyline is trying to tell us what to do.
Nah. The sofa is comfy, dude. It looks comfy.
You want to turn on the TV first.
Hello.
But
you
where's
guys
the
are-
remote?
Okay.
Guess who's sleeping in the couch tonight, Lucas? No.
Where is the remote?
Who is gonna sleep?
Yo. Well, like, actually, where's the remote?
Guess who's sleeping in the doghouse tonight, Lucas?
Hey.
Bro.
Maybe the pizza man took it. Yeah, it's maybe the pizza guy. Lucas! You actually ate the remote!